Introduction of bioengineering. Why it is necessary to know about bioengineering? Because we are using orthosis, prosthesis. So this all comes under the biomedical engineering. Intersection of two disciplines, life science and the engineerings. Life science, biology, physiology, medical engineerings are designs and innovation. Purpose of the biomedical engineering is to create engineering approaches that allows one to study, analyze, diagnose and develop new therapies to treat disease and heal damaged tissues and organ systems. Overall definition: the application of engineering techniques and analyze to problem solving in medicine and the biomedical sciences. Biomedical engineering. Biomedical engineering is a discipline that advances knowledge in engineering, biology and medicine and improve human health through cross-disciplinary activities that integrate the engineering science with the biomedical sciences and the clinical practice. Another definition: the use of engineering technology, instrumentation and method to solve medical problems such as improving our understanding of physiology and the manufacturing of artificial limbs and organs. Biomedical engineers apply different engineering principles. The first one is the electrical and the electronics, second is mechanical principle, third is physical principles, another is chemical principles. Apply different engineering principles, optical, computer sciences, material sciences. This all helps to manufacturing the orthosis, prosthesis. Medical devices. Medical devices can be grouped according to three areas of medicine, that is diagnosis, therapy, rehabilitations. Diagnostic, use for the diagnostic devices. Therapeutic devices, application of energy, application of assisting orthotic, prosthetic devices. Now first one is the diagnostic devices. Types of diagnostic devices: recording and monitoring devices, measurement and analysis devices, imaging devices. What are the importance of the diagnostic devices? Enhance and extend the five human senses to improve to collect data from the patient for diagnosis. The perceptions of the physicians can be improved by diagnostic instrumentations in many ways. Amplify human senses, place the observer sense in inaccessible environment, provide new senses. Therapeutic devices. Objectives of therapeutic devices are deliver physical substances to the body to treat the disease. Physical substances are voltage, current, pressure, flow, force, ultrasounds, electromagnetic radiations, heat. Therapeutic devices categories are device to use the treat the disorders, device to assist or control the physiological functions. Assistive or rehabilitative devices. Objectives of rehabilitative devices to assist individual with a disability. The disability can be connected to the troubles through perform activity of daily living, limitations in mobility, communication disorders and sensory disability. Types of rehabilitative devices: orthopedic devices and the prosthetic devices. Orthopedic device is an appliance that aids an existing functions. Prosthetic device provides a substitute of the body part. Some characteristics of the biomedical engineering. Methods and devices are used to solve medical problems. Problems are difficult, diverse and complex. Solutions alternatives are limited and specific to a certain problem. Therefore, we must know what we are measuring or study what we are treating and which methodologies are available and applicable. So this is all about the biomedical engineering. Thank you.